name for this thing, man. I don't know what to call it. I don't know. I've referred to her as a girl. I've referred to her as a boy. I just don't know yet. I think I got some stuff narrowed down, but I just don't know just yet. Quite yet. Yeah, buddy. A mode is where it's at. Be in A mode, traction control set to 3. This might be this is the best ride that I've had on this thing thus far. Don't get me wrong, B mode is not bad, man. B mode is for chill mode in my opinion now. C mode is definitely chill mode. C mode is learning mode. That's something you want to see coming. That's for sure. Let's go, baby! For the champ, baby! Yo, this, oh man! Can't tell you what, man. This thing, man. Just the wind hitting you, it's like, oh! I love this thing, man. This thing is nasty. First ride on A mode. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. Is wow. It's windy. All right, yeah, we go, you know, like when you go out and run or whatever on your cool down, you know, you gotta jog and you gotta bring it to a walk. You know, so that's what we're doing right now. Calming this bad boy down. Calming this bad boy down. Yo, man, I try to get some of the fellas today to come out and say, hey, let's go run to Torchy's Tacos. Let's go up to Torchy's, man, get some food and hang out, and you know, let's go play around afterwards, go ride. Nobody seemed to be able to come out, so went out by myself. Best thing about this, one of the best things about this bike is the gas gauge. You need it with this thing. This thing, I be burning through gas. I mean, luckily gas ain't expensive, but damn. You start getting up and going on this thing, you can kiss that. Bikes have great commuting. Goodbye. If you want to commute and have great gas mileage, I would go get like a 400, 500. Going above that, those bikes are meant, anything above that, I feel like those bikes are just meant to straight up for sport riding, track riding, etc. Those other bikes are mainly for commuting, so I would definitely use those.